I'm Anya and I really want cake for breakfast. Like, I mean, who wouldn't want cake for breakfast? So I googled and I found this cottage cheese and peach breakfast cake. So I'm going to try and make it today. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. In a bowl, beat together 3 large eggs, a half a cup plus 1 tablespoon of sugar until smooth. Then add in 6 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 cup cottage cheese, 1 cup Greek yogurt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix until smooth. Add in 3/4 cup flour, a pinch of salt, 1 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, and mix until well combined. A quick visual on how to line the bottom of a round pan. Into a pan and scatter peach slices on top. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Allow it to cool slightly and enjoy cake for breakfast.